Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tech Jake, back with another review. Today, we're talking about the Zhong Projector Stand for Outdoor Projector Screen, your ultimate go-to for both indoor and outdoor projection. And hey, if you're interested in grabbing this bad boy at a limited discount, hit the link down in the description. Let's dive in. First up, this thing is a beast of versatility. It's got a 100-inch frame with a 16:9 aspect ratio, perfect for that cinematic experience. Plus, it supports 4K and 3D visuals, and it's equipped with fast-folding functionality for easy setup and takedown. This is not just a screen, it's a feature-packed solution. Let's talk screen quality. Made with durable polyester fabric, it delivers sharp, vivid images with excellent transparency. Double-sided projection. Yeah, you heard that right, projection on both sides with a high-definition coating. 160-degree viewing angle, whether you're off to the side or dead center, the visuals stay sharp and crystal clear. On-screen text, lightweight yet sturdy. Host holding the aluminum frame. It's lightweight, thanks to its sturdy aluminum construction, but don't let that fool you, it's incredibly durable. Plus, you get this soft padded carrying bag for protection and easy portability. Customization is key, and the adjustable height feature ensures you get the perfect viewing angle every time. Whether it's a backyard movie night or an important business presentation, this stand adapts to your needs. Outdoor use. Not a problem. This stand is designed to handle wind and light rain, so you don't have to stress during outdoor events. Stability and reliability? Check. And when the show's over, it folds up compactly for easy storage and transport. Whether you're moving it inside or packing it for travel, this thing is as portable as it gets. Alright, so why choose the Zhong Projector Stand for Outdoor Projector Screen? Big screen, 100 inches of cinematic glory. Advanced tech, 4K and 3D visuals with fast-folding setup. Built to last, high-strength aluminum and weather resistance. Portable and flexible, lightweight, foldable, and perfect for any occasion. This is a solid pick for movie nights, presentations, or any event where you want top-notch visuals. If you're ready to elevate your projection game, don't forget to check the link in the description for that sweet discount. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome reviews. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.